Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to fix edit action button option not showing. So in order to fix the edit action button not showing up on a Facebook account, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you just have to go and log in into your Facebook account. When you're logged into your Facebook, that's going to take you to the home page, and here you just have to tap the try bar icon and then go to your profile from the top right. As you click on it, then tap the three dot icon, and over here you should be able to find this option as edit. However, if you are unable to find it, so then the Facebook has disabled the following options. However, it is available in the pages. Now if you have a Facebook page, then you could go and log in and then access the Facebook edit action button. However, if that's not the case, then you can try updating your application and at the same time reinstalling the app, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So that is how you can edit action button option not showing on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.